What up, motherfuckers? How y'all doing today? My name is B-Rad and I'm ready to have a good day. Welcome back to the channel. So, one update is unfortunately, with this whole coronavirus going on, I haven't been able to drop my block off at my head and so on and get it all bored and machined. Unfortunately, I have to wait until the machine shops are willing to take in some extra work. But in the meantime, I got the old engine on the stand, and we're ready to start tearing apart this engine bay. So with this engine bay, I want to get all this clutter out of here, all this nastiness. I want to clean this whole thing up. There's a lot of things that I want to fix and change. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove these headlights, get all that out the way. We're going to remove this evap canister, whatever it's called, charcoal canister. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to take that out of the way, get rid of this coolant overflow and all this stuff. We're going to take it off and we're going to get it out of the way. What I want to do is paint all the brackets. I want all the brackets to look nice, clean, and brand new. And I want all the paint to be touched up. Again, we are going to be cutting out that section there. I don't know if I'm going to do this section, but I am going to do that section for sure, for the downpipe. I'm going to cut that out and we're going to weld that up once I get a chance to get it to my job, or if I get some gas here. I decided I'm not going to run the AC. My condenser is beat up to hell, and it didn't work when I charged it the last time. So I don't know if there's a big leak or something like that, but I'm just going to take it all out. We're going to make this bad boy look clean. Like, I want it to be pretty much like a show car finish, but as well, it's going to be functional because I'm going to drive this car a lot. I've never really made a show car finish car, so I want to kind of make this car close to that, because there is some spots on the outside that I have to fix, like rust spots on the bottom rockers. But the engine bay, while I have it apart, I want this thing to look gorgeous. So we're gonna start tearing some things off. Let's get this Johnny out of the way. I'm gonna take this vegetable out first. Slide your charcoal canister out of the way, and bam, your Johnny's out there. See, look at this nasty shit. You probably can't see. There is some black shit in the bottom of here. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at that shit. Let's get this shit out of here. Damn. Simplify this bad boy even more. Like, for example, I just want to refresh all these brackets, just make these brackets look nice. I don't know if I'm probably just going to paint them all black, since I have white. Black on white will look just simple and clean. Damn, baby. Come on, come on. Come on, really? 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 That's how you feel? That's how you motherfucking feel? See? See what I mean? See that nastiness? We're gonna make this bad boy shine. Just look at how dirty this whole area is. Like, look at that. Some of that washer fluid that I just spilled, but look at all that grime, nastiness. So, we're gonna clean all this up. So since I'm gonna be laying all the wiring and all the accessories over here over the side of the fender, you can actually grab one of those like padded like fender covers. There actually are fender covers. They're nice soft on the inside so the windows don't scratch anything. You see them, if you don't know what I mean, you'll see them a lot on like hot rod TV shows. They have them over the sides of the actual fenders because they're so big and it covers up so much space. They're kind of shaped better for them. You could also go about by getting a blanket or something and just kind of draping it over and taping something off to hold it. Whatever you would find easiest. You could just do the simple route by just taping it with some painter's tape. Gonna run it down that bad boy. It's like you're painting a picture, baby. Some nice smooth strokes down that bad boy, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, it's fucking Pablo Picasso over here, baby. Quick example of what, you know, it can look like. Just cover that bad boy up. And you know, even a step ahead, because I'm going to end up painting this engine bay anyway. Boom. We already got this bad boy masked off. that out the way. Bam! Like I said, we can clean this whole thing up. This whole thing can get cleaned up. So, we're going to just take a look at all this. This is like, this is dirty. Look at that. That's just all this grime from the road when you have your headlights up. So bam, baby. Bam, bam. Pow, baby. Just took out this harness. So there we can get all this out the way. Then for me to get this part separated from here, I have to pop this bad boy up from the bottom and get all these connectors out. I'll do that another day so we can get this all moved out. So I'm gonna move over there. Just pop all these bad bands. Get all these Johnnies. Oh yeah, look at that. That's hot. That's hot. I can get this one from here too. Ooh, ooh, pull you through. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get all you Johnnies out the way. Yeah. Oh. 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 So we got all of that away from the firewall. Let's just pull this out. Yeah. Bam, bam, baby. Nice. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to get a couple new clips. Bam, bam. Bam. So now I have this bad boy out. I can literally take the whole clutch line and remove. Shabam. That's some hot shit right there, you know what I'm saying? So goddamn rusted. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Hotness. Said I gotta get something to take out the AC, the Freon out of the AC, so that way we can eliminate all this off the side, get this out of the front, because you can see it's beat up. But once we get that off, we can take these lines off here, move them off the side of the frame, and so on down there, so we can make some room. Look at that, that could be a good before. But before I continue on getting the last couple parts out of the engine bay for this video, I actually have a quick update. There's a welder that I had. It's actually not even mine, it's my friend's. And he's pretty much just left it here and he's fine with that. I got myself a bottle now. So now I can actually weld like I wanted to here. And now, I know I'm a master and all, you know. Trust me, I know. I did buy that bad boy. Yeah, yeah, fuck yeah. So, now I can actually weld the frame rails that I wanted to here instead of taking it to my job, which is like a great thing for me because I can do everything here now. And like I said, I know I'm a master welder and all, so here's what's gonna happen. You know, I'm about to give you guys a nice clip of some master welding here, alright? Master welder, right? Get ready for this shit. You want to see the work of a master? Let me show you the work of a master. Alright? Here's the work of a master. Bam! Wait. That's mine. That's mine. Ain't no shame in my game, you know what I'm saying? Your boy's a master right there. That shit right there, master. All day. Yeah, you can pay me $100 some an hour, you know what I'm saying? I'll come out there. I'll weld your fucking shit together, all your bridges and shit. I got you. Let me come out there help you out. You know what I'm saying? I got you. Oh, what the fuck does that say? Fuck me. Anyways, so let's continue this video. What I'm about to do is take out this booster. Alright, so let's see if I can show you exactly what you have to do. Why is there so much fur up in here? What the fuck? There is a pin right where that you see, right there. There's a clip on the other side, right there. You gotta pull that clip out, and then you can pull that little pin out. Once you pull that pin out, I believe it's 5 nuts that hold that bad boy on. Alright, let's get this motherfucker out of here. I believe it's gonna come right out. Oh yeah, coming right out. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's hot. That's hot. Let me get this Johnny. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. That's hot. Wanna see some hot shit? Look at that hot shit. Wait, see? We gotta clean this shit up. And I still don't know where the fuck all this damn fur is coming from. It's like fucking like fuzz and fur and shit. It's crazy. So this is where I'm gonna leave this video off. But I'm excited I got this tank. I do plan on welding the inner frame rail parts when we cut out this shelf area for the downpipe to have more room. And yes, as you saw my clip I put in there, I'm not the best welder, but that's why I'm trying to learn. And I'm gonna go buy a lot of metal and I'm gonna start welding it every day here and just keep practicing. So what you guys might see for this next video, well actually, this is probably what you're going to see for the next video. What we're going to do is we're going to start taking down the whole front subframe so that we can get the whole suspension out. And we're going to clean this whole nasty, gunky shit out. Like all that nasty shit. We're going to paint this bad boy. Now I'm not sure what color I want to paint it yet, but we're going to paint it. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope y'all have a good motherfucking night. Make sure y'all masturbate 3 times every night right before you go to bed. You know, it's just pop, 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 bam. You're all good to go. Then you just fall asleep like a baby, like. But peace out, motherfuckers.